standard capacity, high capacity. It really has to do with the width of the arbor. Somewhat narrow. A lot wider. Holds a lot more line. It's far more comfortable if you got big gargantuan hands like mine. They all start as blanks. The high capacity is 2 blanks held together with epoxy, thickened epoxy. Have never had one to come apart. The standard capacity is great if you have small hands or smaller hands, or if weight, it's lightweight, it's lighter weight, it's half the weight of the larger capacity. Larger capacity, the high capacity weighs twice as much because it's twice as much material, and you've got the epoxy, wood flour thickened epoxy holding the 2 sides together, so it's much thicker, much heavier. My preference is the high capacity. This is southern yellow pine. What you saw in the house there was cypress. Cypress is my standard wood now. Southern yellow pine, I don't really like it so much, but I use it for my own personal reels because this is one of the remaining sort of prototypes when I started making them wide like this and started getting the good casting ramp or casting lip that you see. It's what I use personally. So if you want to know which one's which, get the standard if you want lightweight. Get the high capacity if you got big hands. That's what it comes down to. Real simple. Real simple. Both cast, one casts just as well as the other. They both hold an incredible amount of line, more than you would possibly think. It's really a matter of just personal preference and comfort. Southern yellow pine comes out usually a little bit narrow because it's standard lumber. Cypress comes out wider because it's milled wider. Contrasted here with a standard size blank, high capacity blank, and one of my older yellow pine blanks, finished.